question 13. So on a roller coaster ride, passengers travel in carriages around the track. So on the ride, carriages complete multiple circuits of the track such that the maximum vertical height of a carriage above the ground is 60 meters. So the maximum vertical height above the ground is 60 meters. And then a carriage starts a circuit at a vertical height of 2 meters above the ground. So when t equal to 0, h is equal to 2. And then the ground is horizontal. So the vertical height h meter of the carriage above the ground, t seconds after the carriage starts the first circuit, is modeled by the equation h equal to a minus b t minus 20 squared. So where a, b are positive constants. So find the complete equation for the model. Okay, so h is equal to, I'm just going to write as minus b times by t minus 20 squared plus a. And then because we know the maximum vertical height of the carriage above the ground is 60 meters. So the maximum, so h max is equal to 60. So which means a is equal to 60. So clearly this is a completing the square form. So for completing the square form, what's outside the brackets has to be the maximum h value. So then h equal to negative b times t minus 20 squared plus a, which is 60. And then to work out b, we just have to substitute in the condition. So when t equal to 0, h equal to 2. So put in 2 is equal to negative b times by 0 minus 20 squared, that would be 400. And then plus 60. So then minus 60, we have negative 58 equal to negative 400b. So b is just equal to 58 divided by 400, which is 0.145. Okay. And then the final equation, h is equal to minus 0.145 times by t minus 20 squared, and then plus 60. So we can put 60 at the front to make the same order. Yeah. So in this case, a is 60 and b is 0.145. And then part B. So use the model to determine the height of the carriage above the ground when t equal to 40. So literally we just select t equal to 40 and substitute in. So h equal to 60 minus 0.145 times by 40 minus 20 squared. So if we put that in the calculator, 60 minus 0.145 times by 40 minus 20 squared, that is just equal to 2 meters. That'll be the answer. Okay, and the next part. In the alternative model, the vertical height h meter of a carriage above the ground t seconds after the carriage starts the first circuit is given by h equal to 29 cos 90 plus alpha degree plus beta, and alpha is between 0 and 360, where alpha, beta are constants. So part C, find the complete equation for the alternative model. So this time, yes, the same situation, but they use a different model. So everything we used from before, we still need to use it. Yeah. So h maximum is equal to 60. And then from this model, we know the maximum h value has to be 29 plus beta, because cos is in between 1 and negative 1. So 29 cos has to be between 29 and negative 29. So the maximum has to be 29 plus beta. So that means beta is just equal to 60 minus 29, which means beta equal to 31. So now we know h is equal to 29 cos 90 plus alpha degree plus 31. And then we substitute the condition when t equal to 0, h equal to 2. So if t equal to 0, h equal to 2, if we substitute in, 2 is equal to 29 cos, anything times 0 is 0, so just cos alpha plus 31. So that means cos alpha is equal to 2 minus 31 is negative 29, divided by 29 is just negative 1. So if a cos alpha equal to negative 1, then alpha has to be equal to 180 degree. Yeah. So therefore the equation has to be h equal to 29 cos 90 plus alpha, which is 180, and degree plus beta 31. So that would be the final complete equation. And then given that the carriage moves continuously for 2 minutes, D, give a reason why the alternative model would be more appropriate. So because at the beginning it says, on the right, carriages complete multiple circuits of the track. Yeah. So for quadratic, it can't perform multiple circuits because quadratic just looks like this. It goes to infinity and back to infinity. Or this is an active quadratic, sorry. So it should be like something like this. So that won't perform multiple circuits. But this is a periodic equation because it's cos. Yeah. So it will go something like that. So that's why this is more appropriate because the reason would be the alternative model can complete multiple circuits. That's all.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can leave some comment. And then if you find the video helpful, please like it and subscribe it. May the A star be with you.